In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a Namecheap domain into Google Workspace. This is a step-by-step tutorial, and I'll show you exactly what to do. It's actually pretty easy. When you're inside Google Workspace, go to your account, then go to Domains, Manage Domains. Here, you can add a new domain. I'm assuming that's what you want to do, add another domain. Click Add a Domain, and then enter your domain name. To do that, go to Namecheap, log in with your username, and go to your dashboard. In your dashboard, find the domain you want to add. For this example, I'll just use a random domain I have on my account. Copy the domain name, then go back into Google Workspace and paste it there. Next, we'll be using this as a secondary domain. Scroll down, click Add Domain, and start the verification process. Now we'll be asked to verify ownership with a TXT record. This is just to prove that we own the domain. Continue, and Google will give you a verification code. Follow the instructions. Go to Namecheap, select your domain, click Manage, go to Advanced DNS, scroll down, and add New Record. Choose TXT record. For the host, enter @ For the value, paste the verification code that Google gives you. Leave TTL on automatic, then click the check mark to save. Once the TXT record is added, go back to Google Workspace and click Verify My Domain. This may take up to 5 minutes. After verification, your domain will be added successfully. You'll see it listed as a secondary domain, verified, and ready to use. And that's it. That's how you can connect a Namecheap domain to Google Workspace.